know people. Me could have asked Andrew on it, could have sent 5 truck for we. But a matter of fact, 5 truck can't send for we Andrew on it. When I say saying that 30 more or 40 more truck. Because all the man did pan this land and a pitney. Because we not share this purpose pan this land here, because we Wukliss. That's why the woman then I want to breed them. Because we Wukliss. And he chuck the woman say, he chuck them. And the man say start from a man to go back to town, come back to Port and town. Because all per chuck. And I want the man if you go up on it too. No left no man. No left no man. No matter if you put a hide in a church, or either somewhere hide, we come for you. Stop. A matter of fact, people, I shirt a cliff. I shirt a cliff with chuck a carry go dash away. Because we not share this purpose too. Me not a pitney neither. And me Wukliss and I shirt a cliff with chuck a carry go dash away too. We don't share this purpose on this land here. No man that share this purpose on this land here. A matter of fact, people. It's early Sunday morning, 8 o'clock. It a come for all of the man them and a pitney need again. All of the man and a pitney truck a come for. All of the man them. And please, better get ready. Long road, Exad River, and matter of fact too. And it's Saturday morning, and you go and enjoy yourself, yeah? And you go and enjoy the big food and enjoy the rum and the smoking and the ganja and playing one another. And please, you better enjoy yourself till Sunday morning, yeah? And you better go and enjoy the Sunday morning because it's not nice. It's not dash away. And please, you better start get one pitney, yeah? And you better start get one pitney.